Hello everyone, Coach Chris here with WolfMoon Brewing. Time again for Question of the Week. This week's question comes from a viewer with the initials JD. JD asks, what is star sand? You mention it a lot in your videos, but what exactly is it? Well, as per 5 Star Chemical, which is the manufacturer of star sand, they say it is a high foaming, acid-based, no-rinse sanitizer that is effective and easy to use. It reduces water spotting and can be used without rinsing when used at the recommended dilution, and may be used on kettles, fermenters, carboys, kegs, pots, brewing systems, mash tun, boil kettle, fermentation vessel, wort chiller, and heat exchanger. Wow, that's a mouthful. So what does that all mean? Well, let's take them one at a time. High foaming, acid-based, no-rinse sanitizer. When you make a batch of star sand, you're actually making a low pH or acid-based formula. That low pH will actually rupture the cell walls of bacteria and fungus that can damage your beer, thereby destroying those funguses and bacteria. So your beer can be nice and healthy and not get infected. High foaming. Well, when you make the mixture up, it will foam greatly. You'll hear in the home brewing world a lot, don't fear the foam. The reason for that is that foam actually will do the sanitation as well as the liquid will. The foam will get into all those nooks and crannies and actually sanitize the areas that the liquid might not be able to get into. It also is a cost savings because you can make a smaller amount, shake it up, and the foam will actually sanitize everything that it comes in contact with as well. No rinse. This part's really cool. You can just sanitize your equipment. Once you're done sanitizing it, you can let it drip dry, and any remaining solution that's on the piece of equipment will actually be useful to the beer later on, because as star sand breaks down, it turns into a sugar and a nutrient that the beer can use. Reduces water spotting and can be used without rinsing when used at the recommended dilution. Well, we already covered the no rinsing part, but the recommended dilution is 1 ounce of star sand to 5 gallons of water. I think I covered that as well already. What can it be used on? Well, it can be used on just about anything in your home brewing arsenal. The only thing I don't recommend you use it on is something porous like wood. But your mixing spoons, your glass containers, your stainless steel, your plastics, any of those pieces of equipment can absolutely have star sand be used on it to sanitize it. Anything that is going to come into contact with your beer once the boil is done must be cleaned and sanitized. I highly recommend star sand. I've used it for years and have had great success with it. Star sand also comes in many different sizes. You can get it from 1 ounce all the way up to 55-gallon drums. But for the home brewer, it comes in these 16 and 32 ounce sizes that have this little dispenser at the top that's graduated, so you can get the exact amount you need for the proper dilution. So JD, I hope that's answered your question. If you or anybody else that's been watching this video has any comments or questions, please feel free to leave them in the comment section below. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit subscribe to my channel and hit the bell to be notified anytime I post a new video. While you're down there, go ahead and hit the thumbs up button for a like. Really appreciate you taking the time to watch my video today. Remember, home brewing is really fun, but so is drinking responsibly. I'm Coach Chris, and we'll see you next brew.